Some you done the homework?
Yeah, 3 questions.
3 questions only done. How many questions do you have homework? Only 4 questions. Third part of that question. Who checked the homework? You checked anyone's homework? You're supposed to check every girl's now. Then I not now. Boys who check who are supposed. Playing out. So you check the homework, okay? Yeah, okay. Three 30 पे. Take out the. Yeah. Sit down. Done. People are here to attendance. All of you sign. You didn't get the attendance. Attendance sheet is here.
Yes, sir.
It is here. 3, 4, 5 are there. Huh? Who? Why? Sleeping. Huh? Yes, Ranveer, what happened? There are 2. Here also 1 or 2. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12. 17 plus 4, 21 plus 2, 23. Almost 8, 9 are absent. It will not proper. Okay. Yeah. Doubts difficult. You have done the homework. This is a classwork, na? Okay, homework is here. Kota seller, Mumbai seller, all sellers. All answers you got. Relax, na? Okay. Yes. Riyan. Hey, online man. Kaushal.
Yes, sir.
How much are doing?
Sir, yes, sir.
Done, na?
Sir, some questions are still left.
Okay. Hello. Why you late? Huh? How many? All are coming in the same manner only? Huh? 4 people. There are 5 are there here. Ajay, you 4. Why you late?
Same man.
Same man from where?
Colombo.
And you? Huh? Where is your friend? Rudra? Why he is sleeping at home? Okay now. Priyanshu. Priyanshu nahi na. Priyanshu only na. 2 times I called. He is looking here and there. You are Priyanshu only. Okay, sit down. Okay. Read the question. Let me hear. Are you following? You are the new person. Na? Following now something. Siddharth. All okay? Shardul. All fine now?
Yes, sir.
Fan was late. This is daily is going on. Where is your friend? Why she is sleeping? Last class also she did not come now. Why? Not coming. Sometimes I either be regular, tell her. Okay. One is late. You are coming from where? Sector 10 is walking distance only, you know. Tell the one driver, you know, come on time, otherwise I will keep you out. Sector 10. Yes. Okay. Priyanshu. Whenever he start reading, someone one entry is going on. He has a doubt. He ask him what is the doubt. Which question? Third question of the homework exercise. All of you be quiet and listen. I want it loudly.
For a dealer, the list price of an article should be 9,000. She sells to dealer B at some lower price. The rate of GST is 13%, and dealer B pays under GST equal to rupees 322 to the government. Find the amount inclusive of GST paid by the dealer.
So GST percentage given. How much is the GST percent?
18%.
A GST percent is equal to 18%. Okay. And something else is given. One let huh? Nothing. Something else is given. No, tell the digit. Tax paid to the government. How much is the tax paid? 324 rupees is the tax, net tax. Okay. Then, huh? These three values will be given. Yes or no? So, tax paid to the government. So, this is no. That means what is the input tax credit?
18%.
18%. Yes or no? Because he is there. So, ITC is equal to 18% of 9,000. That is equal to how much? 18 by 100 into 9,000. How much? 1620 is the input tax credit. Okay. We don't have output tax. You can find out output tax. Okay. Now, let's say let the output tax is X or output tax. This is the net tax now. So therefore, output tax is equal to how much you'll get? 1620 plus 324. Yes or no? Okay, how much you'll get? 1944. Therefore, X is the selling price. 18% of X is equal to 1944. Therefore, 18X upon 100. That is X is equal to 1944 into 100 divided by 18. 18. X equal to?
1800.
How 1800 is coming? 18 are 194. 18 into 8. There is some, it is not what is the answer here? 18 sir. Multiply 18 and 18, check 1944. Sure. To 20 is how much? 20 into 20 is how much? 400. And this is 194. Hello, did you sign? Come here. Where do you stay? Huh? Sector 4. Why you late? This is every day you are coming late. Why? Reason. How you are traveling? Walking. So then come early. From what time you are coming from school to home? 3:30. Now you're 6:30. Now a lot of time is there. Next class onward, be on time. Sign the attendance sheet. Okay, what is the answer you got? Huh? And what all you people are telling? This is 108 now. Therefore 10,800. Okay. Yes or no? Now what is the question being asked? Read the question. That means 10,800 plus 1944. That's the answer. Okay. Selling price is equal to 10,800 and the GST paid is that is called the output tax. Okay. Okay. So that is equal to, therefore it is coming as what? 10,800. Wait. Huh? What? Let's read the question once again. All of you be quiet now. I can't say you did this question. Then why you're sleeping? No time to sleep. We are not feeling well. Perfectly fine now.
For a dealer A, the list price of an article is rupees 9,000, which he sells to dealer B at some lower price. If the rate of GST is 18% and dealer B paid a tax under GST equal to rupees 324 to the government, find the amount inclusive of GST paid by this dealer.
What is this 324?
Government.
Net tax paid by whom? B to the government. Yes or no? So that means here still problem is there. It is not incomplete now. This is the selling price of whom? B. Is it A? Dealer B pays. Where is she going? It was there only now. Again you are coming. Pass it. Who all are not signed attendance? Dealer B pays to the government means dealer B is not the end user. Understood or not? Dealer B is not the end user. He gives to the government this one 80. This one how much? 324. That means there is a still problem is there. This is not the way to calculate. Is it the way to calculate? What did you do?
Less the selling price X or A to B.
A to B selling price is equal to X. Then
So input tax will be 9,000 minus X or GST 18%.
GST is equal. So you are getting a selling price. SP is equal to how much? X. Then
Since it is GST at 18%, 9,000 minus X of 18%. Because list price is 9,000.
why 9,000 minus 6?
Sir, because
Lowered price.
It's a lower price. From 9,000 lower price of GST.
Huh.
So input tax credit can be 9,000 minus X of 18%. Yes, sir.
So you have to, this is not the case. Then how did you get 9,000 minus X?
Sir, actually, we can consider X as a lower.
X is the selling price is coming. Okay, and what is this 324? That means 18% of
Minus 18 minus 18, right?
hmm, is
Output tax will be 18% of that.
18%.
now you have to consider SP for B is equal to 9,000. Are you followed or not? SP for B is equal to 9,000. Therefore, over here, so what it is, this one it is coming, GST is coming as how much? 18 by 100 into 9,000. Therefore, that is equal to how much you got? 1620 is the, for this one, bill for whom? C, 9,000 plus 1620. That is the output tax. Now you have to find out input tax. How will you get this one?
18% of 9,000.
18,000 of, you can take it as this one now. Why the 18,000 of, sorry, 18% of 9,000 minus 18% of X is equal to how much? 324. That question was not clearly written. Now, what is the condition is coming? Listen carefully. A is the person. He's this on MRP is equal to how much? 9,000 and GST is equal to 18,000. He sells it to B with a lower price. Are you followed? Then after that, what he does? In turn, B sells to someone else and he pays net tax to the government as how much? 3,000. That means how will you get the net tax? Output tax minus input. What is the output tax? 18% of 9,000 minus 18% of X. That is equal to. Now we will find out what is X. This already we got, that is 1620. No. No. Listen. Now look here now. Then you will get, that is X is called the selling price. Selling price plus you have to find out the percentage. What is the selling price you got? 1,800. Huh?
1800.
Selling price is 1,800.
Sir, it should be 18% of 9,000 plus 18% of 9,000 minus.
Now, how selling price is 18,000, 9, 7,200 you'll get. Array, what is selling price you got? 7,200 you got. Then 7,200 plus 18% of 7,200. That is equal to how much you got? You will get this X is equal to 7,200 you will get. Are you followed? Okay. That you will get a, try to analyze the question and do it. A is the person. He sells for the reduced price to B. So let the selling price is equal to X. Okay. Then B in terms sells to C. That means you will be getting a, so he sells it for 9,000. Correspondingly simplifying it. Okay. And these all minus and all automatically same thing only you'll get. You got this answer? You're not done. You have followed the meaning of the question. But there are, A is the person, sells the article. Its MRP is equal to 9,000. He reduces and he sells to B. And B sells with the same MRP to someone else. And B paid to the government how much money? 324 rupees. So that means this 324 rupees is what? Input tax, sorry, output tax minus input tax. You can find out output tax. How will you get output tax? 18%
of
9,000. So you got N. Then input tax means you take, let SP is equal to X. 18% of X you take. Then, so output tax minus input tax. So you will get X is the selling price. Selling price plus GST we get as the correspondingly. X, yes. 7,200 is solved this one, na? You got 1620, na? 1620 plus 324 is equal to 18x by 100. Check what you are getting. Yes or no? Okay. Therefore, this is equal to how much? 1944 into 100 divided by 18 is equal to x. Cancel this one. 72 will get. Okay. Therefore, this is x. Selling price of A is equal to 7,200. Are you followed, Preet? Okay. Then, what is the amount paid by selling price plus 18% of selling price? How 1620 minus 18? Are you looking at now? What is this one?
18% of 9,000 minus 18% of that. Equal to 320.
Minus. Yeah, this is minus. This is minus is coming now, opposite is coming. So it is coming as what is the value? 1296, no? 1296. Okay, okay. This minus will come again. Okay, 1296 of. Now cancel and see what you'll get us. 72 will get everything. He says 72. Previously also I wrote 72. Now also he is writing 72. 1296 upon 18. Find out. 648 by 9. 72 only now. 9 sevens are 63. You did anything? Try to look here. Analyze the question. You have to analyze the question and do it. There are different ways you can do it. Okay. But you have to analyze what is the condition. Yes. Priyanshu. Are you followed? You will be able to do. Who else having the doubt? Any other doubt? GST, any problem? Only the thing is, try to analyze the questions and all. That is one. There are sometimes little questions are tricky ones. Directly it may not come. You have to do it. The chapter is over or more? More are there?
No, sir.
In this chapter, we have completed all the parts, no? Matrices. Matrices, quadratic. Who wanted to matrize it? Who wanted quadratic equation? So then half I'll do now. Matrices, you have only one property problem is there, that is a product. Quadratic equation, little more you need to do, no? Yes or no? When is any school exams are there nearby?
Sir, mine from 24th.
One textbook. After the vacation. After vacation only. Before vacation, is there anyone textbook you have? Selena, is there anyone with her? Oh. Ah, is there anyone? Ranveer, when is your exam? After vacation only. So there is not in a hurry to do the work. Huh? Kaushal, okay. How many chapters Kaushal got your exam?
5.
5. Out of which any chapter? Out of which any chapter we are done?
Yes, banking, and we have done only banking.
Only banking.
And linear equation. And
Huh?
linear equation. And linear equation.
So which are other 3 chapters?
Quadratic equation,
That we are
and
going to
there is
start.
probability
Oh, that you will do yourself.
and matrices.
And that is it. Okay. Yes or no? So all of you write this question. Let's see one question of the GST. We will finish. Okay. Yeah. Stop talking. Listen carefully. Okay, full thing you don't need to write because word problems, completely you don't need to do. The shopkeeper bought an AC from the distributor at a discount of 25%. Shopkeeper from a distributor, how much? 25% discount. Okay. On the list price of 64,000. This much all of you followed? Okay. List price of 64,000, 64,000. Okay. Shopkeeper sells the AC to the customer at the list price. Then, if the sales are intrastate and rate of GST is 18%. %. Okay, intrastate rate of GST is 18%. This much all of you followed? Okay. Now, who are the 3 people? Shopkeeper, distributor, customer. Okay, this much only. Question, there are parts I am going to tell. First part, SP, selling price, including GST by the distributor. Selling price including GST by the distributor. Second one, tax paid by the distributor to the state government. Tax paid by distributor to the state government. Are you noting down what you have to calculate? Third one, tax paid by distributor, DIST enough, to the state government. SG you can write. Now, to the state, return second one. Third one, tax under GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government. Tax under GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government. Fourth one, who's talking in between? Those who have problem, just raise the hand, then I'll repeat. Fourth one, tax under GST received by state government. Tax under GST received by state government. Fifth one, price including tax under GST. Price including tax under GST paid by customer. Paid by customer. I repeat the question once again before starting. Okay, listen, no need to talk in between. A shopkeeper bought an AC from the distributor at the rate at a discount of 25% on the list price of 64,000. The shopkeeper sells the AC to the customer at the list price. If the sales are intrastate and rate of GST is 18%, find first one, SP of AC including GST by distributor. Second, tax paid by distributor to the state government. Third, tax under GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government. Fourth, tax under GST received by the state government. Fifth, price including the tax under GST of AC paid by customer. Okay, start. Who is it? Very good question, man. So good answer also equally I need now. Start. Why you are waiting for? What happened, Preet? No, when I was reading, what you were sleeping or what? Then did you write anything? Did you raise the hand and said I did not write? You are 10th standard child, okay, not a small baby to tell. If I am fast, you should. Hello, you all do your work. First, you all do the work. If you are not, then you should tell. Why didn't you get the front bench? You always come late nowadays, no? Now wait. Let others do. All of you do the work. Ranveer got any answer? Five parts are there. Five answers, 5 marks. What happened? Achha. Answer got. Rate station ABC, write and find out selling price, GST, and B cost price, GST, all these things you write. Then you will come to none automatically. Calculations done. Third part. Third part is tax under GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government. That you don't ask me. That final answer we'll discuss. This is a question will be as you will ask the doubt. Shardul, done. Why not able to do? Calculations are over. Did you did the CPHC? Ah, that is the first part you have to do now. Done all? All parts? What are you waiting? ABC you did. All answers got? 3 answers got. 1 answer got. 3, 5, 2. Who's at 4? Akansha is talking the Lee. Snehal, how many questions are done? All parts are done. Akansha, how many parts you got? Hey, then do the next part. Stuck up. Those who feel you can't do beyond that one, raise a hand. So we will do it. If you are not able to do, raise a hand. No. Nobody. So all. Kansha is the one. You didn't do the homework also, no? Yeah. Okay. Done. Huh? All. Are you telling who? Tell us, no. Mistake, don't worry. Okay, done. Who else? None. All. Gayatri. Done, no? You're specialist in GST and now you are the one all give lot of answers now. What happened? Yes. Breathe. There is a confusion. Question of which part? I don't know which part. There are 5 parts were there. Okay, listen. Okay. Shh. Why you looking copying there? No, sir. Okay. First, there's station A. What is MRP? 64,000. Discount. Discount. 25 by 100 into 64. How much? Huh? So 16,000. Therefore, selling price 48,000. This much you got? CGST. How many percent? 12 or 8%? 6 by 100 into 48. GST. So 48 into 9. 48 into 4320. SGST 4320. Okay. Next at B. CP 48,000. Yes or no? Then what he does? Selling price 60. Selling price is equal to same amount, that is 64,000. Okay, no discount. He is paying with them. Then CGST 6%. By SGST CP at C 64,000. This much calculation done. Okay, now we will check one by one the values. Okay. First one, what is selling price of AC, including the GST by the distributor? Who is distributor? ABC. A. Who is A? Distributor. And B? Shopkeeper. Okay, and this is the customer. Okay. So selling price will be how much plus how much? So what plus what? Selling price equal to, including GST, 48,000 plus 4320 plus 4320. 56,000. This is the first answer all of you got. So he is writing only cheating. Second one. What is the question? tax paid to the by the distributor to the state government, no? Tax paid by the distributor to the state government. State government is 4320. He is the distributor, no? How much is collected? SGST has to pay, no? If there is no input tax is not there, no? Okay, if it was input tax was given to year 2. Oh, I've seen. Third one. Next is what? Third one is what? Shopkeeper to the central government. Shopkeeper to the central government is how much? Wrong.
One.
How much? Look here, shopkeeper. Look at the shopkeeper. Does he have an ITC? Does he have an ITC? Yes. Does he have an input output tax? Yes. That you have to subtract. That most of you did not get. Who got this answer? Only 1, 2. Very girls only. Boys, what is it? The mark is not working. Fourth one. Tax under GST received by state government. Tax under GST received by state government. No, not followed. Raise the hand. State governments, put the hand down. State government from distributor, how much state government is getting? 4320. Agreed. For this also, I'll make the tax for you. Okay. But Messi is doing long. Okay, don't mess up. Okay. Now, next is look here. Shopkeeper, how much he paid to the state government? 5760. You become the shopkeeper. Okay. 5760 minus 4320. So 1440. Tax paid, understood or not? That is the thing, you people doesn't think. What value you get directly right. Last one. What is the last part? Customer. Yes. So how much is the SP? Or 64,000 plus 5. Oh, sorry. Most of your problems is in our thinking is not doing. First is you have to make this. How many of you made this one? Half of the people did not make only. Don't look at the question and immediately start calculating. Not that way. This one make it. Then one pick up and write. This question comes for 5 or 6 marks. Huh? No, 1 mark. Don't. Understood or not? Check the steps. Now, which part you are not followed? Tell me. I'll explain. Those are not followed. Those are not followed. Akansha, you are followed. Yeah. Girl said, boy said, yes, what happened, please? No problem. Sure. Any step, anything if not followed, tell. Ranveer, are you followed? Next question I'll make you to do on the board. Then I will see. Shardul, where is that Archit? Arnav also followed. Okay. Chalo, done now. The last boy. Hello, this way will come and sit over there. It will not work. When I tell you are not listening, are you following my language? Which language I am speaking? English only, no? So you should tell, no, I have not written the question, you should tell me. Not that, you cannot disturb the others, give the question and all. Next class on before on time, then you will get the front benches. Okay, now all of you listen. Which chapter is going on, Ryan Nerul now? Which chapter is going on now? Linear inequations. 3 chapters done, 3rd chapter is going on. And quadratic also finished. Not people. Okay, chapter ending. Quadratic equations. Quadratic problem solving quadratic equation done. What the part of quadratic is done or one part? One part. Okay. Right. Quadratic equations. Wait. Who is that? Wait. Are you right? Spelling? Okay, I'll write. Who asked you to open the file? See, all are learning. Hey, hello. Volume me close it. First, let's introduce, then after that. Okay. Right. Written all of you. Who is talking there? Written all of you quadratic equation. Okay. You know what you mean by linear equation? What do you mean by linear equation? Yes. What is linear equation? There are 2 equations, the linear equation, 2 equations. What are the 2 equations? Let me hear. LHS and RHS is called linear equation. All equation, hello, all equation contains LHS and RHS. Not that linear equation only. Yes. An equation whose degree is 1. Linear. Kya? Listen. Listen here. That is why I close that volume first and listen to me. Okay, not that opening and reading. Okay. Hello, breathe. Close your mouth first. Okay. Now, linear equation means linear means 1. An equation whose degree is 1. As she said, equation means there are 2 sides are there. What are the 2 sides? Left hand side and right hand side. Connected by equal to symbol. Inequation connected by inequations. Okay, linear equation. Now, linear equation, linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree 1. Polynomial does not have an equal to symbol. Linear factor. Factor of degree 1. So, examples I'll tell. Linear polynomial 3x plus 2 is a linear polynomial. Do you know how to find the degree? Do you know what is the variable? What is the variable over here? X. Check the power of x. 1. That is called 1 means linear. Suppose if I write 3x plus 5x cube plus 7x raised to 4. Okay. Plus 2. What is the degree? 4. 1, 3, 4 and 0. Therefore, highest degree. Therefore, this is a polynomial of 4. Do you know polynomial of degree 4? There is a word. Polynomial of biquadratic. That word you have to remember. Okay. Degree 4 means biquadratic. Okay. Now, next is, so that way degree. So linear, this is called linear polynomial. This also can be considered linear factor. When how it is coming equation? Now it is become linear equation. And this is how many variables? 1 variable. Suppose if I write 2x plus 3y is equal to, let's say, 7. This is also a linear equation, but there are how many variables are there? 2 variables. Do you know what is a solution? What do you mean by solution? What is the meaning of solution? Those who know, raise a hand immediately. Your hand is raised or pen only you are showing? Okay. Okay. Solution. From 6 standard on solve we have seen, no? Value of the variable which satisfy this condition. Understood or not? Simple one. X minus 5 is equal to 8. If I put x is equal to 13, why it is called a solution? If you replace 13, 13 minus 5, both sides are equal. Why x is equal to 15 is not a solution? If I substitute what? 15 minus 5 is what? 10. 10 is not equal. Are you followed? What is the meaning? So solution means always remember value of the variable which satisfy that equation. May or both the sides equal. Understood or not? A linear equation has how many solutions? Only one solution if it is one variable. Linear equation, two variables. Wrong. There are infinite. So a simple example I'll show. Is it a solution? Replace and check. Yes or no? Is it a solution? Is it a solution? Who has opened the tiffin box? Some food smell is. You're eating? Huh? Put inside over there, okay? This is not the time to eat. Huh? You're okay now? During break time, you come to me. We'll eat together. X equal to 4, y equal to 0. Is it a solution? Yes. So this equation has how many solutions? Infinite number of solutions. Two variables. Linear equation, one variable has only one solution. This much you have followed. Do you know what? Do you know what is the general form of the linear equation? Ax plus b is equal to 0, where a should not be equal to 0. This is called a linear equation. Okay, this is the general form. Chapter heading written. What is the chapter heading written? Below write one statement, linear equation. Quickly, 2 lines we'll write. Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Right. Its general form is. Ax plus b equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. General form is Ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Its solution is, what is the solution of this one? Value of x. Value of x. What is minus b upon a? Is it or not? See, find the value. Solution is x equal to minus b by a. Written. Then linear equation, one variable has only one solution. Linear equation in one variable has only how many solution? One solution. Say below right. Linear equation, two variables. Two variables. General form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. General form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What are the variables over here? X and y. Below right, it has infinite solutions. It has infinite solution. What is that last name, boy's name? Huh? Rohit, are you following? It has infinite solution, you wrote? Okay. Now, do you know what does it represent graphically? Last year we studied. Straight line. Right, graphically it represents as quadrant and straight line, same thing, Italy is. Quadrant is, you know what I mean by quadrant? You know what is a quadrant? What is it? Sir, leave it now. What do you mean by quadrant? X-axis and y-axis divide into two parts, 4 parts. Each part is called a quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, all. Okay. Straight line means? Okay. Understood. So graphically it represents a straight line. You wrote, all of you? Written, all of you? Okay. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. General form. General form. Place c is equal to 0. What does it mean by a quadratic equation? Equation of degree 2. Okay, so right. Written heading quadratic equation. Below right. Equation of degree 2. Equation of degree 2. And the general form is ax square plus bx plus C is equal to 0 where A is not equal to 0. Because A becomes 0 means that term will go no, it becomes a linear equation.
Sir,
Okay.
can you tell general form again?
General form is ax square plus bx plus c. It's written on the board. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a not equal to 0. Written or not? Okay. Solutions. How many solutions are there? Do you know? Chapter is over. Right. It has at the most 2 solutions. Always 2 solutions were there. You studied no solution, no real solution, and only studied no. Correct. It has at the most 2 solutions. Do you know what is the meaning of at the most? Maximum. Means sometimes there are 2 solutions, sometimes there is only 1 solution, sometimes there are no solution also. No. Okay. No solution you do not hear. B square minus 4AC. Ah. Okay. Chalo. Okay, written. Solutions also known as roots of the quadratic, right? Solutions are also known as roots, ROOTS, roots of the equation. Solutions are also known as roots of the equation. Written, okay. So first thing, next one. You know, all the degree should be. What is it? Listening. All the degree should be a whole number. Can you write this way? 3x square plus 5x raised to half plus 3 equal to 0. No, it cannot be. Degree should not be a distant fraction. It should be always a whole number. Now, tell me, what is the degree of this term? What is the degree of this term? What is the degree of this term? 0. No. Variable. There is no variable means 3 can be written 3x raised to 0. What is a raised to 0? 1. Okay, understood or not? So remember, that is why I am telling this one means there are questions will come as verify whether it's a quadratic equation or not. If it is some root and all or negative is coming, okay, it should not be a quadratic equation. Understood or not? Okay. Now, next is degree 3. There is a name for degree 3. Do you know what is it? Cubic equation, right? An equation of degree 3 is called cubic equation. The equation of degree 3 is called cubic equation. And equation of degree 4 also you have to remember. Biquadratic. Huh? Which ones? Cubic same है ना? A x cube plus b x square plus c x plus d equal to 0 where a not equal to 0. Now you are seeing the same format. Yes. Wait now. Equation of degree 3 wrote cubic equation. Equation of degree 4 is called biquadratic. Biquadratic equation. Bi or by also somewhere you see. Biquadratic equation. Written now. Now, your first exercise is verifying whether it is a solution or root of the equation. How to verify? Suppose it is given us, let's say 5x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Check whether x equal to 1 is a solution or not. How will you check? Replace x equal to 1. If LHS and RHS are equal, it's a solution. If not equal, it's not a solution. Understood? Suppose another type of question will come. If x is equal to 1 is a solution, find the value of k. What will you replace? X equal to, and after that solving, you'll get the value of k. Understood or not? That is only the first part is coming. Take out the volume exercise. Then 5.5.1, 5a. Page number. Volume. This is my volume. Don't look at me. Oh. Page 36. All of you know this Sunday there is a test paper is there. Everyone know? No. Who told you? It's in the website. Oh. Chapter all of you know? Oh. So practice and yeah. Taken. Still is the tiffin box is open. You did not add it food or what? From where you coming? Fast. You want to take food? Then tell na. Go and use it outside. No problem. Go. Huh? Sure. No, I'll tell you can sit in the other room and eat. No problem. Don't worry. You should tell now. You want to? Okay. Chalo. Whenever is there, you tell, we will tell you if you want, there are rooms are there, go and eat. No problem. Achha, who all are fasting over here? Achha, you also. 2 people. Okay. This week is the final week. No? Yeah, listen. Take the exercise 5.1. Without solving, comment upon the nature of the. Oh, we did not discuss about the nature of the roots, no? Okay, right. Now, below, okay, before doing little more part, I had to explain. We wrote how many roots are there for the quadratic equation? At the most, 2 roots. What is the meaning of at the most 2 roots? Maximum 2 roots. Okay. Without solving an equation, we can identify how many roots are there. For that one, first, the next term is called, next word is called discriminant. Have you heard about the word discriminant? What do you mean by discriminant? Value of b square minus 4ac. So write the heading, right? Discriminant. Discriminant. D-I-S-C-R-I-M-I-N-A-N-D. Discriminant. Written? Right. For the quadratic equation. For the quadratic equation. Short form of quadratic equation, we will all write QE. Exam don't write QE. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The value of b square minus 4ac, value of b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. So find the discriminant. What is discriminant means what? Value of which one? B square minus 4ac. So discriminant is value of b square minus 4ac. Hope all of you followed. Okay. The question is us. Find the discriminant means what will you find out? B square minus 4ac. Okay. Now depends upon the value of b square minus 4ac, you can identify how many roots are there. Okay. Now below write nature of roots. Nature of roots. Of roots. What type of roots here? One more word I forgot to tell. Discriminant is by the letter somewhere you see D. Okay. Discriminant is denoted.
Sir, your voice is not coming. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First one, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Means how many roots are there? Only one root. Second, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, what is the meaning of greater than 0? Positive. Okay. The roots are real and unequal. Unequal. Written all of you? Third, b square minus 4ac less than 0.
Sir, again it is not coming.
Batteries. Okay. Can you hear me now? You note down and these and roots
Yes,
are imaginary. Written now. The last one.
sir. If b square minus 4ac is less than or equal to 0, then the root will be real only. Sir, I can't hear you. I'm seeing just what you're writing. Yes.